Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop apps from opening automatically when you start your Mac. This tip is really useful if your Mac feels a bit slow when booting up, or if you simply don't want apps like Chrome or Mail popping up every single time you log in. Alright, let's get started. First, open your system settings. Once the window opens, go up to the search bar at the top and type in Login Items. From the search results, click on Login Items under Users and Groups. Now you'll see a list of apps that are currently set to open automatically whenever your Mac starts. For example, you might see Mail or other apps listed here. If you don't want an app to open, just select it and click the minus, and just like that, it's removed from Startup. Below that, you may also notice a section called Allow in Background. Apps listed here are allowed to run even if they don't fully open on screen. If you don't want them running, you can simply toggle them off. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick Mac tips and tricks.